Now you can enhance your real estate listings with modern features such as 360 degrees virtual tours or 2D plans, which has never been easier. In the past, creating these visual contents was a challenge due to the manual labor and high costs involved. Luckily, times have changed and there are user-friendly apps to help you create stunning visuals for your listings. Reasons virtual tours and 2D plans are game changers. Firstly, they're accessible at any time. Virtual tours are available 24/7, catering to the needs of potential buyers with busy schedules or those located abroad in different time zones. This feature, enabling property visits at any time, adds value not only for the agents but also for their clients. Next, the tech magic. Virtual tours use cutting-edge photographic tech and sophisticated software to craft an immersive and lifelike experience. This dynamic visual experience leaves a positive impression on visitors, thereby enhancing their perception of the property. Finally, a detailed overview. 2D plans go beyond textual descriptions and photos, enabling a precise visualization of the property layout. They provide an effective way to ensure that potential buyers do not miss essential details by offering a comprehensive understanding of the property layout. In Europe, trends show 80% of listings in the UK include 2D plans, while in France it's only 9%. Interesting to note, it is important to include 2D plans in your listings, as studies indicate that 93% of buyers are more likely to visit a property with a floor plan. Also, Nodal Views tours received 49M views in a year, highlighting the rising demand for 360 degrees experience. Creating virtual tours is simpler than you may think. Capture images using a 360-degree camera or your smartphone, assemble the images and utilize specialized software to generate a seamless and immersive tour experience that will captivate your audience. Add a touch of magic. Customize your tour with interactive elements and let it shine. Share the tour on your website, listings, and social media. For 2D plans, you start by scanning your room with the Nodal View app, following the simple and concise instructions. Then, save the scan and request the generation of your 2D plan, available on the web app in 24 hours. In summary, we explored the advantages of virtual tours and 2D plans, their past challenges, and the current ease of creating dynamic visuals. With Nodal View, creating 360 degrees images and property scans has never been easier. Stay tuned in the upcoming classes to learn more about strategic ways to distribute your virtual tours and 2D plans for optimal results. Thank you for following along in this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.